Good morning, and for today, pupunta tayo sa Binondo. Pero susubukan natin ang isang pamamaraan ng pagpunta doon. We're not taking the car, we're not taking Grab, we're taking the ferry. So itong ferry na to runs all the way through the Pasig River. And we're going to try that out for the first time. And hopefully, hindi totoo yung sinasabi nila na mabaho. Okay, so nandito na ngayon tayo papunta sa terminal. And we're walking from my place. I'll see you soon. So, ito na nga yung pababa sa terminal. And it's a few meters away from where I live. Ngayon, hinahabol natin yung 9:35. Medyo late na. It's already 9:20, I think. So, hopefully, on time siya, and hopefully makahabol tayo. So I'll see you there at the terminal. At finally, nandito nga tayo sa Hulot Terminal, and we're going inside and check if 9:35 is available. See you soon. At ang nakakalungkot, walang operation today. Ay nako, and that ends our ferry trip. At pauwi na ulit tayo. At nakikisabayan tugtog talaga. It's a heartache. So pauwi na tayo galing sa ferry terminal, and we're disappointed kasi no operations ang ferry. So we'll just take the car and go to Binondo still to meet my friends. See you. Dahil hindi tayo nasakay sa ferry, pupunta pa rin tayo ng Binondo.
Oh, wow!
But this time, we're just taking my car. So I'll see you there.